question, no matter what it is, I somehow, almost always will.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Brad.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go to Lulu in San Marcos, Texas. Lulu.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Hi, Brad. So I have a question. I filed for my VAWA petition, the I-360 in 2018, and I got approved 2020 January. So I wanted to know, does that come with an automatic EAD?
The approved I-360 does not come with an automatic EAD unless you filed an I-765 with the I-360 under Section C31.
Okay.
Did you do that?
Yes. So actually, at the time, I did it concurrently, and I sent in both the adjustment of status and the employment authorization.
So then you
document.
So then you don't need a work permit concurrently with the I-360. In other words, let me break it down for you so you understand, so we don't go back and forth. Okay. When you file an I-360 and do nothing else, you do not get a work permit, or you're not entitled to a work permit until the I-360 is approved. Because we get these questions all the time, so I want to break it down and make sure. Okay? So a lot of people, or a lot of lawyers, or a lot of people who help people file VAWAs, they file an I-360 and an I-765, which is your work authorization document. And on the work authorization form, it asks, what is your qualification for a work permit? And you put down C31. C31 means that your qualification for the work permit is an approved I-360. And what people do is they file the I-360 and this work permit under C31 together. The I-360 goes in, you wait 2 years for an I-360 approval, and when the I-360 is approved, they also send you a work permit because you concurrently filed this I-765 with the I-360. That's not what I do.
Okay.
What I do, which is I think what you did, is and I tell everybody this, I file the I-360 and the I-45, which is the adjustment, simultaneously. The adjustment is your request for an interview for a green card. So I'm requesting an I-360 approval, which is the basis for the green card, and I'm requesting the adjustment, which is the interview, simultaneously. And then when you do that and you file the I-765 work permit, you're not putting down C31, the basis of my work permit is an approved I-360. You're putting down C9, the basis of my approved work permit is a pending adjustment application. And with that pending adjustment application, they'll mail you a work permit in 3-4 months. You don't need to file an I-765 based on both. It's how are you filing your VAWA case? So I like to always tell clients, file the adjustment, because why wait 2 years for the work permit? You'll get a work permit in 4 or 5 months, and you'll get your interview for a green card that much faster. So I think that's what you did.
Yeah. So actually, so when I did all of that in 2018, they kept the I-360, and then I didn't send fees in, so they returned both the adjustment and the work permit. But I did it again this year in 2021 January. I sent back in the adjustment and work permit authorization, everything.
Great.
And I've since received just a courtesy letter for my medicals, but I haven't heard anything back about the work permit.
The work permits are taking a while, but you should be getting it shortly.
Does it matter if I still did it under C31?
No, you can have done it. You have an approved I-360. It could have been done under C31 or C9. It wouldn't have mattered.
Okay. All right. That answers my question. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right. Take care.
All right. Bye.
All right. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.